as shadows start to grow, and the places that you know seem like fantasy. There's a light inside your soul that's still shining in the cold, with the truth, the promise in our hearts. Don't forget, I'm with you in the dark.
Welcome back to the Nether stream. The Nether stream, not another stream, of course. So what have I done? I did a few bug fixes since the last stream. I'll make that loading screen look nice. I think I need some, like, key art. Or, like, I don't know. Well, I guess this is going to be, like, a little playtest demo, not, like, a full release demo, so I don't need to go nuts with it, but... Actually, it might even be good to have sort of a rough-looking loading screen to sort of set expectations of, like, oh, this is, like, an in-progress thing. But then again, maybe I shouldn't set the expectations lower, because then people are gonna... Hang on. Script, I see it right here. Material. So what is wrong with this? Why is this happening? I think maybe I need to do like... I think maybe this is the issue? Maybe it needs to be local? Maybe it's doing something up with that? And then I need to do, But I legitimately don't get why this is happening. Okay. So let's stop. Let's close this. Maybe this'll work now. Oh, wait. I haven't even switched to... Okay, hang on. I haven't even switched to my... I'm getting out of it today. Alright. Basically, this was still black again. That was the bug. The furnace was not burning. Which I've fixed like 3 times, quote-unquote. But anyway, other little things that I've fixed now. The reflection probes no longer have like a weird effect on the ambient light. I'll just show off that change, because that was just a one-line change. That was, yeah, this reflection's idx.ambient. Basically, it checks... This is how it does the indoor stuff. Like, or interior reflections. It just sets this alpha channel. So this ambient light used to be the ambient color from here, which is set here, I think? Yeah, it's set here. Basically, it was setting it to the ambient light color when it could have just used the ambient light color in the shader. I don't know why they were setting it there, because there's basically I'm pretty sure that it was also causing other bugs at some point. I might have to go back to very early footage, because I was having issues with that, like, for the entire time. So it might have been literally that, and just never fixed. But anyway, now that looks good. Now there's no, like, weird rectangles around everything with reflections, and I can have my pretty reflections. Like, look at that, you can kind of see the hills. Beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, I also fixed some dialogue bugs. Oh yeah, I haven't actually... Excuse me. Fixed some dialogue issues. I also fixed some other things. Mostly drawing the border around the world. But okay, what do I want to do next? I guess I put on my to-do list fixing the multi-mesh thing, so let's go back. So yeah, basically, how do I demonstrate this? I need to figure out how to reproduce the bug, because basically there's, if I can unload the active entities. I also reduced the number of gems here, but basically if I do no clip. So let's watch these gems as I come back, because I think what's going to happen is there's going to be either one right in the center of this area, I think somewhere around here, or they're going to duplicate their positions. And I think I know why, but I want to make sure that I understand how it's happening. So let's wait for the NPCs to disappear. But my LOD system is so effective that I can barely see it when it happens. Okay, I think that was the signal, maybe? And I can get... Actually... Okay. Now there's no NPCs over there. I'll have to figure out how I want to do this. Because this telescope is currently not accessible in-game. But I think it'd be kind of cool to let the player have it. But I need to figure out, like, how I'm going to handle LOD stuff. Because, like, it becomes quite obvious that the terrain disappears. So maybe I'll just have to have some sort of, man, I don't know. That'll be a pain to deal with, but anyway. It's been deactivated, not unloaded. And the gems are invisible. Because I'm too far away. Now they're all visible. Wait, why did they all show up? That's actually not... That's not how that's supposed to work. Like, it's supposed to be that individual gems can flicker in and out of existence. Okay, yeah. And we see here, there's a little gem right in the center of the world. Or right in the center of this, like, multi-mesh. This is because the way that I'm adding and... or handling, like, adding and removing things from the tree is wrong. So let's see if I can fix that, because I think it might be a pretty simple thing. Module, And I didn't teleport, because teleporting actually, I think, fully unloads the world and then reloads it. I think that's how I set that up. But anyway. No, that's the wrong thing. So, exit tree. So that removes this. Oh, I bet I know what it is. I bet it doesn't call notification ready on all of these. I think. Actually, I need to review that. Because I could just request ready. Actually, I'm gonna also see, when is exit tree called? I think what I might do, let's just chunk content. Let's get one of these chunks here that has a script attached to it. So 113 has a script, so let's just do because I believe the way that yeah, I'm pretty sure the way it works is for entering a tree, it goes from the top down. So it'll call 113's enter tree, and then it'll call all the children's enter tree. For ready, it goes the opposite order. It goes like the children call it first, and then the parent of that node, and then the parent of those nodes. Ready. And we can see our lovely little bugs. Invalid component index. And I kind of don't... I guess I could call ready. But I kind of don't want to. Because then it'll reset everything, which is... maybe what I want? Let's just... okay, what I'm going to do first... let's just get the chunk content. Let's just, set active. Let's just do that first. So that should request a ready from all of the children and its parents. Also, I'm going to make the player move faster. So let's do speed roll times 2. So now we're moving double time. And I guess I can't move too far, because if it completely unloads, then it won't. No, okay, so that didn't fix it. So I'm gonna first do, hi, welcome back. Wait, why do I have so much stuff printing? I know why, actually. Collected meshes. Where's that coming from? Loading save. Wrong thing. So I think this should actually be first. Wait, no. That's fine. So I guess this ready is fine, maybe. Or I guess, I think what I need to do is have a notification for when the system itself exits the tree. Yeah, so this ready stuff, I guess should be done earlier. I don't actually know when this should be done. So it'll basically just set the... Actually, let's just set the visible instance count. So I think this ready, I guess, should be fine. Because I don't really need that. Yeah, okay, so I don't need to call ready again. I think that should fix that, maybe. And let's not request ready here, because the entire point of having this or one of the points is to reduce the performance overhead and like hitching, and having to call ready on the nodes again will certainly add more hitching. Oh, I'm floating. I thought that the camera was clipping through the ground. I've learned from my mistakes. I'm gonna do a less compilation. Did I actually save? I did. Okay, good. And I might have actually set up the headers correctly. So I think all of this stuff. Alright. Thankfully this is... Oh wait, no, I didn't link or whatever. So, and if you're just dropping in, what I'm doing is, I'm gonna release a demo soon, so I'm going through my demo to-do, which is basically all the bugs and content for just specifically the demo area, and things that I think I can get done. Well, that I would like to get done. But I'm targeting, the end of this weekend, so Monday. Alright, I just remembered what I'm testing. Okay, so I need to remember basically what I'm going to do. Let's get a telescope. Because I'm basically just going to wait for the NPCs to disappear. Actually, I can also, like, add the bottles and things to, like... Are they gone yet? Not yet. There they go. Okay. So yeah, I did something... It seems like I've done something wrong with my multi-mesh as well, for like the individual components. Because they used to disappear one at a time, but now they're not. Oh wait, no. Yeah, they are. Okay. I think? No, wait. There's something wrong. I'm pretty sure. But okay, there is still... Okay, so I did not fix the bug. That item, that little gem is still there. I'm not getting a bunch of errors, though, which I guess is good. So let's see. Maybe it's an add component. So this is fine because we have the mesh. So we just add it to the components. And then its index is that. So if the mesh is inside the tree. Oh, I see. Mm-hmm. Let's... Okay, so this I actually need to do my... Ready. Actually, is there a function in Godot? I don't want to duplicate stuff, so let's check, like... core node? No, that's not right. Scene. There we go. Ready notified. This is a... Weird. Propagate ready. Notification ready. Request ready. I don't know what this means. So I think this might be the one that I want. Request ready. Ready first equals true. Ready first equals true. Okay, ready. I don't understand what this is, actually. Because I think it means that ready first is false. Okay, but I'm just gonna say I don't think that does what I want it to do. Or at least I'm not smart enough to do it. Oh, I already have a boolean for ready. I literally added... I already knew what I wanted to do with this. Okay. I had this from the very beginning. But basically, it should do all this stuff. Because we've already called ready on this node. So that might be the issue. I think I'm good with these for now. Oh yeah, in important cooking news, I really like KFC's spicy chicken wraps, so I decided to try making one of my own. But my coleslaw does not have enough apple cider vinegar, so I will need to correct that mistake. And also, I don't have any dill pickles. I only have the bread and butter pickles. Sorely missing from my chicken experience. Because I'm also using chicken thigh instead of chicken breast, so there's way too much richness. Because it's you know, dark meat with too much mayonnaise, coleslaw, and not enough acidity to cut through it. Let's see. I guess next stream I will report further updates on the status of my chicken wraps. Because I do basically make... Well, I do sort of meal prep where I basically, like, just get a bulk pack of chicken and then bake all of it. Oh wait, I need to save soon. Let's do, like... Wait, actually, hang on, I'm curious. Oh, that entire thing disappears. I guess that's okay. Alright. Hey, look at that. Oh no, never mind. It's still there. But also, I'm really curious now because... Hang on. It seemed like it was gone for a bit, but maybe it wasn't. And also... They're way too, like... They're not supposed to be visible from this distance. So, like, also... I'm gonna put that in, I guess, lower priority bugs, because it's not affecting performance too bad, but... gems aren't hiding anymore. Wait, did I break my distance visible? I think I might have been wait, half committed to something, like making it so the LOD system actually worked and then didn't go through with it. But removed the script because yeah, the gems are not supposed to be visible from here since they take up less than a pixel. So it's just a waste of GPU power. Yeah, I'm also seeing, I mean, still no, like, errors printed here. I don't know what happened. I don't know why sometimes the errors come up. I don't know what's up with that. Yeah, and what does it mean for something to be... I guess it means that the visible... Music's a little too much for my brain. So I guess it means there is a visible instance that is not actually managed by a component. Wait, hang on. This little guy, I think, is working. Yeah, this... Okay, what the hell? Oh, no. Okay. So, I was just wrong. No, the gems are working as they're supposed to. It's just the multi-mesh isn't working like it's supposed to. Why is that? Okay, what if I really think about this? So we're first calling enter tree in the multi-mesh system. That does nothing, because it doesn't care. So yeah, we just add this component. What does adding a component do? We get this. Then we insert it into the tree. So we can... So basically, if we have this... Do we set the owner? Oh wait, maybe I'm not supposed to set the owner. But no, that should be fine. Creating the actual multi-mesh. So all this stuff... I think this should be fine. Because... Yeah, because it should have it the second time around. But basically, it creates a new multi-mesh. No instances. Sets the mesh to whatever our component is. Sets the color to none. 3D. Then we put that into the instance. So if... Okay, so if we have a material override, we set the material override based on the first component that we see. Meshes. Components. Okay, that should be fine. Unless the components are wrong. But okay, then it just pushes this back. Gets the size, sets the index. Then if we've already been added to the tree, it should do this stuff, where it basically gets our multi-mesh, sets the expands the instance count if we need it. Set visible instance count to the actual number of visible meshes. So I think it's something to do with the components list. Maybe it's not being cleared properly. So like this should be where that's set. So this clears all of the multi-meshes, so they should have 0 and they should have no components. Am I missing something here? No, I think... Yeah, because we just have meshes and we have components, and these are basically just two dictionaries of the same set of keys. Because it's per mesh. I don't care about the shader. So when we exit the tree, I'm getting Python brain. So I want this to be a little bit less, I don't know, visually noisy maybe? Well, no, I think that's fine. See, I'm thinking it has to be that something isn't being applied correctly. Somewhere in here. Like this set notify transform might be in the wrong place, maybe? Okay, so removing things from the tree still works, but yeah, we have duplicate... Okay, I should remember. So it's not... So we have two issues. I think? Wait, where'd it go? Wasn't there a little gem in the center? Did I accidentally... Wait, did picking up an item remove that one? So why is this... You know, I'm also going to set the instance count to 0. Let's just set visible instance count M. Okay, also I'm going to add in bugs. Or just maybe changes that I want. So I think that's working. Well, I mean, I guess what I can do is instead of doing that here, because it only matters if we're entering the tree again. Because then it could just clean out the current nodes. Or maybe I could free all of the current nodes and components. That'd be a little bit more expensive, but that could be good. But maybe I'll save that for later. Let's do, start building that. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Physics should be only for physics. Because I'm not gonna do my variable time step thing that I was so proud of, just because it causes stuttering as it is. Because I need a more sophisticated algorithm for determining like when to reduce the physics frame rate. Basically, it should be like if the number of steps required, or it should do as many steps as it needs within the bounds of the frame rate, without taking more time than a frame, basically. And it's a bit tricky to express that in math, so I have to work on that. So I'm going to have to review this very carefully. So I think there was a gem that was created in the center when I, like, went far away and came back. But I think picking up a gem fixed it. So that tells me that there's something... That would tell me that there's something not loading properly. Okay, actually, there's a pretty good marker. I don't need the telescope, because, yeah, I can see it disappear pretty quickly. Or I can see that whole glass blowing workshop disappear. And no, wait, okay. No. There's definitely things... Like, I can definitely see the gems rotating. And they're supposed to be invisible from this distance, like I mentioned. So, okay, that is definitely there. This is definitely here. Let's do, No, okay, so that one... So I think it must be that an early... What does that mean? Which one is that? I probably needed some way of, like, I guess I could pull out the debugger. But then I have to create a release, build with the debug symbols, and compile without the tools. Ugh. And honestly, I don't know. Now that I think about it, I don't know what I would even... where I would, like, put breakpoints and things. Because, like... because there's so many things that happen. Like, it's not like iterating over a list. It's calling a function a billion times. Maybe it should work from the top down, but, well, no. Now that I think about that, I don't want to do that. Are there any errors? I mean, I guess there's a sort of good sign. Wait, hang on. I shouldn't speak too soon. Because there's also errors that are printed when I open it up here. Uh-oh. Hopefully that's like shader compilation or something, because I think the editor has some weird rules. Wait, no, but they should be preloaded here. Oh well. There's just some mad stuttering whenever you compile and then redo stuff. But okay. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, I was looking for bugs. So I think I solved a bug, I guess? Maybe? Because it seems like I'm not getting duplicates anymore. Maybe. Hang on, I'm going to actually no-clip again. Make sure that's the case. I wonder if I can just, like... okay, I can just do that. And then there's 0 fall damage in this game. I've been thinking about that. I don't know if I'm... because it does limit, like, the possibilities for players, like, exploring. Because then they can only... I can only put things above them to, like, make them wonder what's happening. I can't put things, like, below them that are, like, inaccessible and they have to loop around. So that limits how much the player can, like, or how much the player thinks about the world. Oh, hey, I haven't been reading chat. Someday I'll read chat consistently. But okay, so why is that there? It's the big question that everyone's wondering. I guess I could print out. What if I assert something? So remove component like air. How do these work? Isn't there just one where I can print? Alright, one print. No, wait, no. This is literally... Yeah, I should probably do something a bit more. I've also been thinking of, like, putting the chat on the stream screen, so that way the VODs actually make sense, since I tend to not like read back what people type and stuff like that. And also I have a habit of just talking to myself as if I'm talking to somebody, which will also confuse people as to whether or not I'm actually talking to chat or just talking to myself. But okay, so we literally set the component size here. Right, also, I'm going to point out another bug while I'm here. There's one of the bugs for the duplicate tasks was because if you assign a dictionary at this level, it is the same reference for every node, or like every instance of a resource. So I was creating tasks and they all had the same dictionary of things, which is a bug that I've actually seen before and I forgot that it was there because I didn't understand it. And also I don't need this because that's never used. But okay, that's enough of me not fixing this bug. Do I get the bug in here, in the editor? I guess if I did get it in the editor, it would be right here. Oh, yeah, that'd be good. And yeah, recently I've started adding chapters to my VOD so that I at least have like a summary of what I was working on in that time. But yeah, I don't have questions yet. That'd be pretty good. What is this? Oh, right, that's the tutorial zone thing. All right, hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, thanks. I'll look at that because I've also been wanting to watch Handmade Hero. Because I think it's a really cool project. Why is this here? Well, I guess it's fine. Hmm. So I think this removes all the... But then why are there nodes that aren't managed? No, this should not matter. So this is fine. Can be ignored for now. Does add component do something that I'm not intending here? So that's fine. Oh, okay. Okay, so I can do os get singleton dot print, and that prints f. Because I want to print, like, I don't know. Because what could be happening here? It's like the size here should be 1. I guess I can just do print I guess this might tell me some. Actually, no, yeah, I guess that might tell me something. Because it should just go from 1 up to however many components there are. And it'll do it a lot. Wait, no, it actually won't, I don't think. Oh, okay. Um, what? Okay, where is OS? Where is this? Oh, okay, core/os/os.h, of course. My mistake. Hmm. I'm glad I saved the fun bugs for the stream. But I did kind of want to, because I've been sort of avoiding doing technical stuff on stream. But I think it'd be fun to actually, like, do a little bit of it, mix and match. Because at some point, ideally, this will eventually become mostly 3D modeling and content creation streaming. As I, like, create content. Because I'm still nominally in the open world jam, and the host of the jam, her game, it has a lot more variety of content. And I think that's something that's really lacking in mine, because she just has, like, fun, like, environments and set pieces and weird things that you see. And mine doesn't have that as much, because it's all desert, mostly. Okay, let's first see if the chunk loads properly here. Because if the chunk doesn't load properly here, that'll tell me something. I see it hasn't printed anything. So I think that OS get singleton print isn't actually what I want. Okay, wait. Hang on. What if I just search the text that it's currently logging? Actually, what if I just search for print? So where's the global stuff? Well, that's not what I want. Okay, I could just have done that. What is this? Core/print string. Is there a singleton for this or something? Oh wait, no. These are just functions. Should I have... Hmm. And I'll only do that if it's printing there. And I'm gonna do, let's see if that works. So I don't need any of this. Because I don't even have logging. Hopefully this isn't too visually noisy. Hmm. Oh, okay. It has to be an array there. Hmm. Wait, actually, how does this... This feels like it's a weird thing. How do I make a variant array? Hmm. Alright, how do I construct an array? Can I just create? Or whatever. Does it accept initializer lists? How does this work? I don't think so. Let's just do array A. Oh god, this doesn't do anything that I want. This is way too complicated. This is horrible. This isn't what I want at all. This is a disaster. This is impossible to use. How do I print a line here? Alright, where's Godot? Where's the main line? Or whatever. Hang on, let's... Let's search like some exact text or something. Once it's done doing its sweet thing. GD script language server started. Let's see this. Editor node, get log, add message. Okay, epic. Alright, I know what I should have done from the very get-go. Go back to what I had before, so let's undo this stuff. I just need to run it from here, maybe? And maybe I can try to figure out... But I won't get the print... It won't print here, I don't think. Because it'll spawn another instance of the engine to actually play the game. Well, I guess maybe because it's a it's like a child process, it should work. Let's do bin, Godot, Windows Opt 64, Windows Opt Tools 64. I guess. How does this work? Dang it, now this doesn't have my beloved name of the node that has the components. But oh well. Let's hope that there are components printed here. There they are. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. That's certainly a novel interpretation. I mean, I guess I did cut them down quite a bit, so it might actually be that now. Like, there might be that few components. Actually, now that I'm cutting them down so much... Hang on. You know what? Oh, okay. Now it's... What? I don't get it. Okay, so what I'm seeing is I really do need that name, because I think it's because the nodes are activated in a different order. Let's do %s. Get name. Hopefully that can like cast automatically or something. Because I think that has to go from a string name to a constant like character pointer. Oh wait, it's a variadic thing though. Right, this is not... I don't... it's not gonna... It's not gonna do anything. Because... I need to... Where's node? Be seen, main node. String name, get name. Can I get the character pointer? Hmm. I'm just gonna do like surely this'll work. And nothing bad will happen from just dumping a void pointer into there. Oh wait, no, actually that will happen. Okay, no, this is wrong now. What I need to do, string s equals get name and then how do I get the string? How do I get the data from this? I'll do pointer. And I might actually have to do, I forget if operator works the way that, I might have to explicitly cast. Because I don't use C++ that much. Yeah, I think one of the big downsides of a C++ code base is that it almost always has like a billion of its own bespoke things, like our bespoke string and string, like interning stuff. Because it was made before the year of like 2027, where C++ is finally good. So they had to make everything themselves. But okay, maybe now it will print the name of the node and the things that are attached to it. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe in 2030 they'll have implemented C++ 20 and we'll have modules in most compilers. And I mean, that is a little bit of a optimistic estimate. Let's see, what do I need to do? It took me so long to print one string that I forgot what I was doing. I don't think anyone understands more than 20% of C++ at any given time. But yeah, because I mean, it'd basically be impossible to use more than 20% at a time, since so much of it is, like, incompatible with itself. Or, like, just straight up not supposed to be used anymore, like new and new and delete. Wow, it sure is taking its sweet time to start up. Did I do something wrong with the printing? Is it going to crash? Or is it just going to chill out here forever? Okay, I'm going to say it died. So let's kill it. Right there. What? Oh, wait, okay. I pressed control. Wait, what? Did it freeze because I... Oh. I'm going insane. Also, I forgot, it completely scrambles its output because it does some weird thing with the terminal. Okay, hang on. We need to go. We need to go back to the past. So, does it scramble itself? Here. Because, yeah, there's something wrong with... One, there's something wrong with my PowerShell, I think, where sometimes it just stops the application until I press something in PowerShell again. And I don't know what that... I don't know why. And I think it should not do that. Because, yeah, it was hanging there because I was doing something. So I tried to kill it by pressing Control-C, which is not the way to kill things in PowerShell. But pressing something in PowerShell made it work. Weird. And also, my pointer doesn't work. Hang on. Did I do something wrong? Did I do C instead of S? No. That should be fine. Maybe just... Okay. How do I get just a goddamn character pointer in Godot from their strings? What is char type? No, okay, so it should be the same thing, I think? No. I just realized, no. So this... That's what I actually want. What is char type anyway? Oh, it's okay, so it's a wide char. Uh-oh. So that explains potentially why my OS is all screwed up. Or why my printing is all screwed up. So can I print with like wide char? How do I convert to just char? Oh god, this is horrible. Do I need to create char string? So I think I need to take the string and then turn it into a UTF-8. So what do I do? Just like that was in string, right? Okay, good. And then what can I do with char string? Do I have to turn it into something else? Can I just get the pointer? I can just get the pointer. Okay, good. That makes sense. I wish they could. There's got to be an easier way to just print things, like to just print F. Because this feels like it's just not. Like it feels like there should just be. Wait, I should have just looked at. I was actually. Where's my find results? Did I delete those? I'll just do it again. 'Cause yeah, like this. How does this print things? Okay, it just calls print line. Okay, I think I see how I'm actually supposed to do this. Maybe. Yeah, let's not do this so wrong. Cannot convert from int to string. Alright, I don't understand these newfounded dang things. Oh yeah, cool, it is just for hanging. Waiting for input. I've spent like half an hour on just this printing. Just printing the bug. Alright, which one am I doing now? I'm just printing out the number of components in my multi-mesh thing. Because for some reason, there's extra meshes just lying around. Because I have this little compositor thing so that I can have a bunch of like collectibles and stuff without hurting performance, which honestly, I have half a mind to just not use this anymore. Because I added it for performance reasons that I don't think are actually materializing. Yeah, okay. I have a good idea, which is to just not do this part. Oh wait, okay. That's not helpful. This is okay, so this is there. Don't care about that. Get that out of here, get this out of here. Do I need print string? Was that here already? Do I use that anywhere? No, okay. So basically now what it's going to do is there's going to be no system. So if there's no system, it just adds a mesh instance with our mesh. So I'm going to see if this has any effect whatsoever, because I have dramatically fewer collectibles, and when I was adding it, there was significant performance issues from the light map capture that I didn't realize, which was why I thought adding it was necessary. And this will add one fewer thing to break. I'll have to profile it, because it could perform worse. But I think what made me realize it's useless is the fact that there was like 3 multi-mesh systems in that one scene, and each one had like anywhere from 2 to 10 meshes, and it's like, I don't need that. I don't need this confusion in my life. Well, that's just working. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Uh, Alright, so what is happening now? Wait, what? It's straight... Okay, it is crashing. That's, false and system. So there's some sort of, like, null pointer exception now? Or null reference, dereferencing, whatever. Even though I explicitly check for system in every function call here. What is it? Maybe this? Oh, wait, I know. I bet, actually, let's double check this. P override equals P material. Then what happens if we do set material override in the geometry instance? Get singleton instance geometry set material override. I don't get it. What did I do? Conditional expression of type ref material is not valid. Alright, I know what that is. I have to do the same thing that I do, here. Dot is valid. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. What is happening? That's not what I want. What is it? E... Uh... Okay, I did do it wrong. Is it S? No, this should be good. E. Start the editor instead of running the scene. I know there's a way to open a project here. So it's in Tools Enabled. How is this not working? What am I doing wrong here? Project. Where's the project? Okay, fine. Let's attach. No, I can't attach. Because it's already going to crash. How do I open Godot editor to specific project? I know I've done this before. This is driving me insane. Is it not E? Oh, it's path. Okay. I think, maybe? It's not. Oh wait, no. I just realized. I have to quote this. Because it has white space. Okay, thank God. And then it'll crash. And it better be obvious. Oh, okay, cool. Hang on. Let's see a fun little challenge here. What the fuck does that mean? So for those of you watching at home, what just happened was it was crashing when I opened it. So then I opened it in the debugger, and it stopped crashing. All right, let's just see if it runs decent, because I don't think my little mesh compositor thing was doing too much, because I designed it specifically for a game where I was having hundreds and hundreds of entities at once of the same type, and now I'm not really doing that, so it's not doing as much. Oh, I like those errors. Those are fun. These are the fun type. Did it run? Okay, so now I've really screwed something up. Oh, I know what it is. Okay, never mind. All that crap. Because it's not initialized. So it's causing random memory corruption, so most of the time it would crash suddenly. But the one time it didn't. Alright, let's just start it from here. It'll take its sweet time to figure out what it wants to do with its life. Get a college degree. Okay, ID map.has, that's cool. Okay, do I have these? Are they here? What's the frame rate like? Basically the same. It had basically zero performance benefit. Alright, let's no clip out. I mean, this literally shouldn't happen. But let's make sure that there's no bugs from going out of bounds, or going away, coming back in. There we go. Nothing in the center, no duplicates. As it turns out, simpler code is oftentimes simpler. Alright. Now let's see what those errors were about. Core RD. RD.has RD.getData return null pointer. Condition not texture. Condition whatever that is. Don't save. Alright, so we have crossed off one bug. And we didn't really fix it, we just don't have it anymore. So let's put that in content. Alright, ceiling slide bug. That seems like it'll be a lot of work. So let's do a little bit of the 113 stuff. I don't want to deal with this one, because it's also pretty obscure. In fact, the one place where I know it happens, basically, well, I don't know. I want to fix it. Let's get rid of this. I'm tired. I don't want to see that ever again. And let's get this out of here. Whoops. And it'll file its taxes, divorce its wife, read the entire Bible. There we go. Finally, it's done doing all those beautiful, wonderful things. I think I need to load something different at the start. So I need this. Because when we're in state.ground, empty ground area. So next state equals state.fall. Where is state.fall? Hmm. Actually, while I'm here, I'm gonna test if the things disappear. So where's the gem pickup? Because they should have a visibility thing. Square distance visible, 100 times 100, 50 times 50. Process player distance. Okay, look at that. They disappear as I get further away from them. And from here, it's basically completely imperceptible. Alright, that's good. So now, one to show off the ceiling slide bug. Come one, come all. Come see this beautiful phenomenon. Basically, what the hell? It stopped happening. It fixed itself. No, it didn't. I'm sure whatever... It has to be that I'm just... I I literally changed nothing. Basically, there's a bug where if you ran into... Maybe it's like if I slide or roll into it. Okay, this is horrible. This is a nightmare. I'm living in a nightmare. Bugs are fixing themselves. Working things are breaking themselves. I hate video games. I hate them. Alright, when I'm done with this, I'm literally not touching a computer ever again. I'm literally gonna move to rural Montana. And I don't know what they do up there. I don't know what kind of work they'll do. I'll be a carpenter's apprentice or something. This seems completely different as well. What the hell is this? What have I done? Maybe there's a reflection probe that used to be here that's now not? I mean, I know that there was a negative light that I had in here, but it seems way darker. But I guess... Whatever, it's fine. That's fine. It can be darker in there. That's wonderful. So, bugs. Alright, let's do some fun little writing. So there's just some little proofreading things. More dialogue for Riley in general. I guess that's technically content. No, one of these is not. Yeah, some of this isn't content. Some of it is just bugs. So let's go Riley 113 brought. So let's do not explored 113. Actually, let's do not Riley discussed and all of this should be at the bottom, and then like plus. So it's this, and then like let's do otherwise not. So I'll just do to do more content. And that'll be part of the content. So what is this? She should be able to give you bullets. That'd be nice. So let's say that stuff. Mark. No, what am I doing? Content 113. Complete Riley's dialogue for the area. So I will mark the map with the capacitor. So that is... No, that's the wrong one. Village Tower. And how do I task remove place? So that'll be 113 maybe? Oh wait, let's see. Let's put these in a more logical order. So we have 10 billion things here that are all listed. So this is all the tasks that are described. Wait, is this what I was supposed to be... What was my actual, like, to-do list thing? Mark the map on the tower. That was the only... Okay, that was here, but that's okay, because I need to also have it so that if you got the capacitor early, it doesn't add it, because then it would permanently be part of the tasks. Let's just have these dovetail together. So it'll be like because basically it's going to... Let's go to chunk 113. Oh yeah, I don't need any of this stuff anymore. Where this? Place, what? Okay. Good thing I'm looking through this code. Alright. So this is... Yeah, that seems fine. I can improve that writing. But I'm not going to. Because I think the best way to get players excited is to have poorly poorly read dialogue in like a first draft of everything. So those guys still need sound effects. That'll be useful. Wait, why is... Oh, the ambient light is changing. Okay, that makes sense. Actually, I should probably change the ambient light to something else. Did I make sure to play test this area? Alright, I guess I shouldn't get too distracted. So that seems to be some bugs fixed. Oh wait, I'm also gonna get the Oh yeah, I just realized what I wanted to do, what I was testing. I need to make sure that that dialogue is working properly, so I need to actually get the capacitor, but I don't need to do what I'm doing, like actually playing the level. Wait, hang on. Thanks for the help on Riley, by the way. Let's do, I know. Otherwise, not Riley / disgust. And so that way I can do all this stuff. And that'll be up here. And this is just only for saving Private Ryan. That should be good. And now if I talk to her, it should just say, like, is there anything else I can do? And then she'll be like, no, not at the moment. Also, I should test if the player can pause in the loading screen. Because it spawns the entire player right now. So I may want to figure out a way of lobotomizing them. Alright, so let's test going in here. I don't need any of this stuff. And we have no clip. Also, it looked like the reflection probes didn't work, which is cool. I love finding bugs as I bug fix. Wait, did I not get it? What the heck? Capacitor 1. Okay, I'm seeing here that there is not a flag set. So where's capacitor? Get capacitor. Speaker dot global dot add stat speaker stat. So what is my dialogue? This is the dialogue. This is the friendly ID. Is there a power thing in here? That might be it. 113, dynamic content, active entities, power thing, activated false. Okay, so that's not what I want. Dialog viewer, speaker, stat. If not main speaker. Okay. That's what I'm doing wrong. I need to, that doesn't matter. Let's just emit signal, God damn, what do I have to do? Main speaker dot deactivate. If not, because this could all be duplicate. Alright, let's start a new game. I'll speed run, get the capacitor, then talk to her. See if that dialogue flow works. Then I'll do whatever else I'm doing. And they should be theoretically impossible because you're meant to get the pistol from Riley to even have a chance of beating this level. But, I don't know, maybe someone will find a fun way to get through. Okay, there we go. Well, I guess technically what the player could do is they could kill all the enemies and then go up to the level. So there is a valid way of getting this, basically. Oh, cool. The enemies didn't fucking work. That's cool. I like that bug. That's a bug that I like. Alright. Bugs. It's like... But if there's 0 enemies, it should be done. How do we start the game? So it's just track enemies. And then start game, game label. If enemies.size equals 0. Also, why do I do this? Like, I can just complete the game here. Oh, wait, I guess I need this, actually. Oh, well. So this, at least, will not, like, soft lock the game. And, of course, the bug doesn't happen again. Let's see how many times in a row I have to do this before it gets whatever it is. So I don't have the faintest idea where this is happening, because it literally is just this list. It's this list. And it should be, they should all be there. It should just work. Because it does this. Okay, I'm going to try to do exactly the same setup that I did before, where I get the capacitor first. I don't know why that would be important, but I'm going to just not, like, you know, I'm going to make it as likely as possible to happen again, knowing what little I know about it, doing my shamanistic rituals. Oh, I just realized. It might be something to do with the nomadic behavior. Alright, so I'm going to print here. Oh, wait, no. It literally asserts it. So it would crash if this didn't exist. Okay, well, I'm glad that that bug is impossible to reproduce. Let's just test the thing that I'm actually wanting to test. That's not useful. Oh wait, no. That is useful because that's basically the player is active and stuff. Wait, no, it's not useful. I don't think. Yeah, I won't have a hint there because that's a bit weird. Alright, let's start new game. So I guess this time I'll try killing the enemies without doing any of the dialogue, but then doing the capacitor normally. Wait, what? Why do I have the pistol? Didn't I? What? Oh, did I forget to start a new game or something? No, wait. No. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Starting a new game doesn't start a new game. Okay, so now I remember why that bug was such an issue. So I'll save, and then let's start a new game. It didn't start a new game. It didn't start a new game. Didn't I see this bug before and it literally just disappeared on its own? So, okay, so I think the marker is when I respawn... God fucking damn it. How do I have so many of these, like, sporadic, like, unpredictable bugs? Let's reset game. Valid game state equals false. it resets all of the stats. Then it prints new game. I think what I need here is actually just a file. So what if I do var? Maybe that was it? Maybe it's not resetting it properly? Because maybe the save file is getting corrupted. Do I have the autosave still? No. Okay, so it is straight up deleted. Okay, so we're here. Cool. Let's go back to Riley. Say hi again. I also just need more content because this is very dull in here. You know, I'm feeling less and less confident about having a release date in like 4 days or whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna get the pistol from Riley. Then I'm gonna start a new game. I'm in the wrong place. I didn't save. Okay, so I'm... What does this mean? I don't understand what this means. I swear to God. It's probably this. No, actually, I'm 100% certain it's this now. I thought my enter key wasn't working. I was about to smash my keyboard. This is why I don't rage at games like Elden Ring. Or I guess I just don't rage at playing video games anymore, because making video games is so much more anger-inducing. Get this out of here. We're not allowed to have anything. Actually, you know what? Let's just look up. Get all of these out of here. Get all of these out of here. None of these are supposed to be here. Well, damn it. Not actually all of them. No. These ones? Nope. Let's get this. thought there was a way to... there is. Shift, Control, Alt, I think. Ah, that one's fine. Local variables are fine, I think. Alright, this one is fine, because there's literally only one of these in the world. This one is fine. This one is not fine. I loathe video games. And I saw this bug before. Why did it take me so long? Nope. Wrong. Incorrect. Hang on, let's do rapid. One weird thing is I'm generating the same codes over and over again, but now it seems like, at least, so I have some items. I don't have any of these. I have those. Okay, so at least, at the very least, when you start a new game, it puts you, or it doesn't keep the inventory. So I'm going to say that I've done something. Whatever. I did something. What is this warning? So now, why does the spawn not work? Player start. If not... Oh. Okay. This is... I think I have found an obvious little bug. Well, one, why is... Yeah, I guess that's fine. Okay, so now... How did I not... How did I... How to have so many bugs existed for so long that I didn't fix? Yeah, that was... It was it. That was that. Just, you know, if thing is true, do this. And then I was wondering for like hours and hours, why is it doing this? And I just didn't look at the fucking thing. What is wrong with me? Alright. So bugs are obliterated. What is this? I don't care about that. Oh, I accidentally deleted. Oh well, whatever. Sometimes it really has no enemies. So this is a bad one, but I can't test it. I never actually got around to seeing if the map was marked properly. Da 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 da. Look at that, beautiful capacitor inside the tower. Now let's get that capacitor. Then we'll see if it's removed from the task list. Then I can remove that from the list of things that I need to do. Hopefully this doesn't kill me instantly. It doesn't. Good. Now, we go here. Look at that. It's no longer on the map because there's nothing important there. Why is there two things here? This player spawns in the right on new game. Alright, so we got another one down. Missing material on the pipe. Easy. Easiest fix in my life. Maybe. Easy peasy. There's the guy on the flower. Where is the guy on the flower? So he is supposed to be right here. Is he up here? Is this on? So this is open. This guy should be chilling up here. Maybe he has to be a little bit higher? I don't know. Mask 1, 2, 3. Why is this set up so weirdly? I'm pretty sure I can just do this, and this will be fine. Right, because the hitbox was all weird because I didn't initially have... Like, I initially had some weird stuff for how it detects when you've hit. Right, like this shape can now be extended above again. So, okay, so that guy is there. Does he have like a custom awareness or something? Oh no, he just jumps down when you're... Yeah, right there. Actually, I don't think the player can get down from here. Oh wait, they can. If they haven't hit that. Actually, no, that could like soft lock the player maybe. No, wait, no. Yeah, if the player gets in here, then they'll be fine. Okay, so either route is fine. Oh, I should make sure that these that I didn't break these, because I think it might have just been that I didn't see one of those things, those guys, those little friends, on a flower, and it was probably just because he jumped off. Having everything connected to this vent is actually super useful. Like, this is like really convenient level design. I should add more vents to things. Okay, let's make sure that these work so you can jump on them, you can dive on them. Let's see, and I think if I'm slick enough. Oh, weird. If you dive on them, they open. Oh, and they instantly kill you. Hang on, I'm gonna add that to the list of bugs that I want to fix. Limit when players get crushed. That'll be an absolute nightmare. But it is important. I mean, I guess what I could do is have... So, what does this do? No, okay, so this... I'd want to have custom tracks, I think. Because I can do something much more reasonable to prevent this, because this is a pretty bad bug. So I need... Yuck, and this will be nasty. Bump this up. .anim. Keep custom tracks. So let's see, I want, oh, right, okay, so that's there. So let's just not have these, and not do anything with these. And then we'll just do the animations. And we'll control all of that through there. So, disabled. Well, actually, I think I don't even need to control this. Like, that's fine. Because I just need to control this one. Then what I'm going to do... Actually, I'm going to move that there. Then radius of this. Goes down to, like... What the fuck is this? Hang on. Animation tree. Stop. So this way, this just slowly opens out. And that way the player doesn't instantly die. Then when it closes, it goes shoop. And the player should hopefully not be crushed to death by this. Alright, let's try the worst case scenario. Though this also means that it now works differently. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm happy to report that we're completely screwed. Oh wait, no, it's because the animation tree is disabled. Though now it's actually pretty easy to do the high jump thing because you don't need to buffer it. Well, I guess I can just make it so that close disables it instantly. Actually, let's also do if no, that's a bit too complicated. But that's fine. So that lowers the priority of this. Because I can just make it so the player doesn't get crushed by it. Like, so that there's not in that situation. Because I had to get a bunch of data up from the physics engine to even determine when the player is crushed. So to actually figure out things like if it's tagged with a certain thing, that would be a nightmare. Okay, so let's hope... So I'm gonna see. So this warning... Yeah, I've done that. And I did that. The if statement is just wrong somewhere in that. Who cares? It's a nightmare. Every day of my life is a nightmare. There's the guy in the flower. It's fine. Let's remove a pipe because I was getting mad at that, and I don't want the player to get too mad at this stuff unless it's ways that I don't get mad at it. You know, if you get mad at the game in ways that I don't get mad at it, then that's your problem. But if I got mad at the game, then it's a problem. See, that's bad game design when things make me mad. But if I make you mad, that's just me being like a bold, like, new guy. I wonder, actually, no. I'll just delete this one. Okay, so that should... And this should automatically export? Yeah, it does, because it's very easy. Boom, perfect. iTablet. Did I make this a distinct... Oh yeah, I have preview. So let's rotate this one 90 degrees, and then this one 90 degrees? Think that works? Oh yep, I can pause here. Yep, I can pause and do console commands and stuff in that loading zone. So let's do put a player preview. Let's do it, I guess, after like this. Shader booker. Because I could also just put a different animated character in there. Because they all use the same shader. I just need the animated variant of it. Alright, so I need to make sure that this does not stab through the player's hand. If it looks bad, that's okay. It still does not work right. What did I do? I should also load the... I can probably slightly increase that load time by loading... Wait, no, I can't load scenes in parallel. Oh wait, no, I can actually. I think. How is that still wrong? I rotated it. I literally rotated so there's a preview, and then there's this. How does this work? Maybe if I just rotate it here, and then just... What if I rotate it here, and then rotate this here? And I forgot to save. I was going to save right up next to it, so I didn't have to keep doing this. And they're going right up here. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Thank God. I did not realize that it was the transform relative to the pickup. Does it? It's way more clever than it should be, because that's dumb. Whatever. That's fine. My tablet is sideways. You know what? This is more important, because that could accidentally, like, soft lock the player. Or, like, lock the player in there, and they don't know what they're doing, or what's happening. Because I also, since it's asynchronous, I only mainly need the terrain. Like, if the player blinks in and out of existence, that's not that bad. So it's in action, it's in... Player, you are dead. Player. Let's just get a little guy. I mean, maybe I can get Jackie in here. Like, if I just disable the script, maybe? Let's see if that works. No. Jesus Christ. Ready. If not, get player. All right. Then it should load up the graphics settings. There we go. I should probably have not tied the options to the player, though. In fact, maybe I can... I'll just put that in the... I'll just put that here. Okay, disable pausing in the shader. How many reflection probes do I use? Only 4. I can use, like... Wait, no, but... This thing... Oh, wait, no, it's because the medium has its own reflection probe thing. Or the illusory room that's added in here. It's that. Okay, then let's add another reflection probe. So this one will be interior. And its ambient color will be like that. Maybe like a slightly sickly green? Why is it not working? Oh well. Then there will also be one final one for this attic area to make this transition a little bit more smooth. And now I don't need to worry about, actually, yeah, I don't need to worry about the exterior being all screwed up because it doesn't screw up the exterior anymore because I fixed that. Now let's see this in action. Let's see, do the reflection probes work at all? Alright, well, it does not seem... Wait. The reflection probes aren't doing anything here. Did I break reflection probes? Did I just break all reflection probes? No, wait. No, I can definitely see a difference here. I screwed up the ambient light somehow. I don't care about these ones. So I'm going to actually do both for the dialogue. So let's go with dialogue. Or no. Layer. Actually, no, I will do this. So we need default theme, maybe? I'll just change the panel box style to like a little bit more opaque. Let's also make the narration outline color font color. No, it's colors, narration. Narration will be white, or a brighter gray. Let's see how this looks. Let's go back in. Here's something behind you, blah, blah, blah. Alright, and now it doesn't, like, completely fade out with the, stuff. And there's also, I'm gonna add it just to the list of things. Slight, like, stutter or jitter. So this will be here. Let's fix the reflection probe thing. I guess let's... Hopefully didn't make any bugs. Quit, and then quit, then git log. Just cut it. Git diff. How do I get a description? Git list files changed. All right. Oh. Oh, I don't get it. No commit ID, maybe. Alright, whatever. I don't know what I changed. Let's just go back to drivers, GLES3, shaders, scene. Let's find ambient, accumulation. So this has changed. I think this is like the only thing that I changed. Because I thought the way that it worked was if the ambient, because if there's no ambient, maybe it doesn't do what I thought it was. But I'm gonna, okay, let's look up GLES3 scene. Okay. This doesn't give me what I want. What am I looking at here? Reflections. UBO.ambient. So this is the interior ambient, and then interior ambient probe contrib. Let's go back to Godot. Wait, but that means that I guess the reflection probes might have been broken in 113. I just didn't notice. So yeah, but this is what I was thinking. So like 0 here. But I guess... Alright, let's go to 124. Most important place in the world. Let's put this here. But okay, what's this do? I swear. So ambient.a is okay. But this also shows, so this is always 0? Then where's interior set? Because this is okay, I guess that, okay, that makes sense. Then how do I differentiate between an external and internal? Interior ambient. So can I... Oh, it's params here. Okay. So what I can do is if so what is this? This is params dot, so it's x, y, z. So, okay, so that's what's up here as well. So this is interior. Else. So I literally never use this function, because this function is just broken. Like, this is the part of the function that's actually completely busted. I think. I'll figure that out someday. Maybe. So it's actually going to be reflections dot ambience. And hopefully that'll work. First try. does have my scones still. Cool. Wait a second. Params.x? What? Wait, params.x. Oh, okay. So yeah, I just don't understand anything that I'm looking at, I guess. This is params.w. And then params.z. And then alpha. Or ambient.a. I'm losing it. This will be the last thing I fix today. Because I did break it today. Was it today? I don't care. Let's see if it crashes instantly. Let's see if I've introduced a new memory corruption bug. Let's see if my fucking... I know a fun thing to check. So once we've done... So I did the holy incantation today. Let's see if this is fixed. Maybe. Oh, right. So I think it has to... So it recompiles the shaders every time. Hey, look. It works. Not that. This. So I'm glad it was making it local to the scene, which I guess I should have known. That was my bad. It's this... Okay. This is what I want. I just want this to be, like, darker, though. And, probably not so big. I guess this is... Did I really not align these walls properly? What did I do here? No, okay. These should be fine. Just... There we go. It's just very delicate, because this wall is, like, paper thin. I'll even align it this way. And would you look at that? So how tall can I make this thing? About that tall. Also make this one a little bit more graceful. Actually, just here. Hmm. Can I change, like, the blend here? I don't think I can. But what I can do for all of these, so this one, is this the right one? This one. I'll disable the sun. What the heck am I doing? Oh, wait. I made Cull Mask 16. Okay, I'm gonna make this Cull Mask 17. Because Cull Mask 16 is for the exterior of the world. Or the sun, or whatever it's supposed to be. Yeah, I really screwed this up. Okay, so these should all apply. So this one is everything except for 16. It's going to be everything except 17. This one, yeah, 17 there. I'm just going to put down test that mom isn't in the sun, or how did I choose the same value for two separate things? I need like a global registry of all these things. Alright, shadows are disabled by default. Good on Godot for baby-proofing that for me. So the green in here looks kind of bad. I might just make it an exterior robe as well. Actually, actually, I have to do that. Because this needs to affect this stuff. I think. It aligns so closely with like the exact borders that no, I think I can figure out. I designed this so badly. Okay, so there's a few different places where that kind of janks out, but that's okay. Let's see, and the frame rate is bad, but I guess stable-ish. I think this is especially, well, now that I'm just making these, like, not anything, let's just get rid of these two. I'm just gonna have a big cube here. Actually, I don't even care. Because the only thing that I really need... I'm just not going to have a reflection. I'm not going to have indoor lighting. I just want a little bit of, like, mixed lighting through the door, I guess. You know, like, go here. Go swap. Well, so that way it's like, oh, it's like lit up. Maybe this isn't working as smoothly as I wanted it to. Kind of. So the intensity doesn't fix that. You know what? It looks better this way. I'm kind of like lying to myself. Did I say this was going to be the last thing that I fixed today? I sure hope it is. Let's make this one the interior. Be like that. And then this one will mix in smoothly. Very smoothly. Very perfect. See, it's no big deal. And then I'll do one above it. No, that looks stupid. What if I shrink this one in? Push this one out. Shrink it in a little bit more. This way a little bit more. So I don't want it there. I do want it here. That maybe? I wish they were actually like smooth when they blended. No, well. Good enough. I think putting the else's on the line here makes it less readable. I don't know why that was chosen as the style. I guess just for consistency, but I think this is better. Like, yeah, this is more compact, but it's like too compact for me. I even prefer to put this one on the second line. Because it's like, you know, lines don't cost anything. Well, I guess sometimes. Well, no. If code is complicated, it's either long or it's dense. And I'd prefer it be long than dense. Alright, is it going to get done at some point? Thank you, PowerShell, for hanging. Hang on, I'm going to actually look that up right now. PowerShell hangs without input. Waiting for input. It's if you click on the shell at any point, it freezes the shell. Let's see if that works. It does. Okay. So does it just freeze the shell itself, or does it actually freeze the application? I don't care for that. Got to... Ah, well, that's fine. Get rid of this, get rid of this. It's fun. Basically, it's just a completely unstable file, so at random, and anytime I look at it, it changes completely. So it's going to just balloon up the size of my repository. Oh well. Someday I'm going to abolish video games.